Hi everyone, welcome to this lecture. So this lecture is all about grid search cross validation, or in short, we can say that grid search CV. So what happens is that when we apply regularization, in that situation, we have to control the amount of regularization constant, which is lambda. Now, the range of lambda is very large. It is from 0 to infinity. In that case, it is not easy to select the value of lambda manually. So in that case, we need to apply grid search cross validation. So what is the definition of grid search cross validation? So the complex models have more hyperparameters to adjust for better result. In grid search, we train model on every combination of multiple hyperparameters and at the end get best possible combination of hyperparameters from the train model. So this is the screenshot where we are applying the grid search cross validation on lasso regularization. So one of the important parameter of lasso regularization is the value of alpha. So what we are doing here, we are providing every possible value of alpha to the model. That is 10, 5, 1, 0.1, then 0.01, 0.001 up to 0. Similarly, we are providing another parameter, that is whether we need to fit the intercept or not. That is whether we need to use a bias or not. So we are giving the options true and false to the system. And otherwise, the third parameter is the maximum iteration. And this is the value of iteration which we need in order to select the best value of alpha. So we will iterate through either 1,000 iterations, 10,000, and here we have around 1 million iterations. So in this way, we have three parameters: alpha, fit, intercept, and maximum iterations. So we are passing all the possible combination of these three parameters to the model. And when we run the grid search cross validation on these values, we will get the best possible value for each parameter. So we can see that after running this, here are the best possible values for the parameter. So model is giving that alpha is equals to 10 is the best possible value. Here alpha is representing lambda. So basically in Python, we will use alpha instead of lambda. So lambda is used in the literature, but in Python, we have to use alpha instead of lambda. So here alpha is equals to 10 and fit intercept we get true, and we need only 1,000 iterations to get these value. So in this way, we have to pass all the possible combinations to the model so that model can select the best combination of the parameters after running through iterations. We also see in the elastic net regularization, there is another very important parameter which is known as L1 ratio. So the range of L1 ratio is between 0 and 1. In that, we will give the model the range for L1 ratio, that is we will give the value 0, 0.1, 0.2 up to 1. So the model will select the best possible combination of L1 ratio. So grid search method help us to find the best possible method by the model using some iterations. So in this way, we avoid selecting the parameters manually, but we select the parameter using some algorithm, using some method, and we provide all the possible combinations of parameter to the trained model, and model provide us the best possible combination of the parameters. So in this lecture, we learn about the importance of the grid search cross validation. We learn that we do not need to select the important components of machine learning model manually, but we need to perform grid search cross validation. So I hope you understood this lecture. Thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next lecture.